Hey guys, welcome back. So I know I've been uploading like videos here and there, but those are old videos that I filmed like a minute ago. This is the first time that I'm sitting down to film an actual video since probably December. Pretty bad, yeah. And I know last week, like, when I uploaded, you guys already were like, no, it's fine. You upload when you can. We'll always watch. But since I did film that video back in December, I didn't really get to give you guys, I feel like, an appropriate apology because I'm very hard on myself when it comes to content and stuff like that. So I don't know, I don't like it when people just disappear on me, in life. So I just don't, it wasn't fair of me to disappear on you guys. And again, I apologize. All of a sudden I fell off the face of the earth, and thankfully some of you guys were still calling me at the counter, still reaching out to me and stuff like that. And every time I got a phone call from you guys, it just reminded me why I loved making videos and getting on YouTube and talking about Chanel. And thank you to those who reached out to me or just to check in to see if I was okay. Thank you to those who connected with me during a time where my personal life just totally exploded in my face. So again, sorry, but I'm back again, and I promise things are going to be better. They're going to be different. I'm working on changing the format of my videos, because I'm tired of this background. So I'm gonna change things around. I'm gonna try different locations. I'm gonna upload different content. We're gonna try something new, and we're just gonna see how it goes. But so far, thank you guys for staying with me for this long, because I really, really, really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. But before we jump into the video, I know you guys are already gonna ask, on my lips, I'm wearing Chic Rosewood, but it's the double-ended lipstick, and it's in Chic Rosewood. And then on my nails, I am wearing Mink Brulee by Tom Ford. So that's what I have on my nails. Let's see, what else? As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be talking about these Chanel face oils. So Chanel has 3 face oils in particular. There is a cleansing oil. Well, there are 2 cleansing oils, but I'm not really going to talk about those because it's not really, those are cleansers. I want to talk about the face oils, the beauty oils, the stuff that you put on your skin to treat it. So I had a couple people reach out to me and want me to talk about the face oils, and it was something I was going to do anyway, but it just kind of made me realize that there's a lot of misconceptions about face oils. I know it's gained some popularity and it's gained some traction within the last few years, but still there's some misconceptions out there. I know face oils are very popular in Europe and in Asia. The demographic in the US doesn't care too much about skincare, or they don't really dedicate enough time to their skincare. So adding a face oil into your daily routine is actually very, very, very beneficial. So Chanel has 3 face oils that can target whatever it is that you're looking for. But before I jump into it, I just want to review very quickly, or as quickly as I can, because I know I'm pretty long-winded. I am going to do a basic overview of face oil, just in case there's anybody on here that's not familiar with the function or the constituents of face oil. So overall, the main point of a face oil is to help with hydration. It is good for all skin types. If you're dry, you can use it. If you're oily, you can use it. If you're normal, you can use it. It's not going to affect your skin in a negative way. So if you're dry, you can definitely use a face oil. You could use it day, you could use it night. Any face oil, really, you could use it day or night. Any face product, let me put it just out there, you could use it day or night depending on what texture you like. I'm just gonna put it out there. So if you're dry, you could use a face oil during the day, during the night, depending on how you feel you need your skin to be. So for dry skin, it's gonna help with your dryness. It's gonna help with all the tightness that you feel. It's gonna help with the anti-aging, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, because when you're drier, texture and any imperfections tend to show a little more obviously on your skin. So by balancing your skin with some face oil, it's definitely gonna reduce any appearance of any imperfections that you may have. So for my oily girls or guys, you're probably thinking, well, I'm oily, why would I need to put on an oil? So even if you have oily skin, which I do, and I use face oils, it's okay for you to use face oils if you have oily skin. So it's not going to make your skin any more oilier, it's not gonna make you greasier. If anything, it's actually gonna help balance out your skin. So especially for me, since I use my oils at night, it actually helps with the balance of my skin. So it helps rehydrate my skin so that the next day my skin doesn't have to produce as much oil to keep my skin hydrated, because the previous night I already hydrated my skin with the face oil. This video can potentially be a great drinking game. Take a sip, or no, not a shot. Take a sip every time Andrea says face oil. Now, the other thing about face oils, they are lipophilic, meaning that oils like oils. So oils always bind to oils, like binds to like, chemistry 101. So with that being said, The face oil that you put on is going to want to naturally bind to the oils in your face. So when the oils bind together, it's actually going to help drive the product deeper into your skin. So anything that you layer on top or underneath it, it's actually going to help drive the product deeper into your skin as opposed to leaving it on the surface. It's going to act pretty much like a Trojan horse to drive the products deeper into your skin. Face oils also produce a natural skin barrier. So it's actually going to help produce a water barrier in your skin and help fortify your skin against the natural pollutants of everyday life. So if you live in a city, which most of us do, we're very affected by, you know, car pollution, industrial pollution, pollutions in the air, and pollutions and free radicals are actually one of the main reasons that contribute to fast aging. Face oils will also help with enlarged pores and any redness, rosacea, hyperpigmentation. So it's actually going to quell any irritation that your skin has. It's going to help soothe it. It's going to help with any inflammation. It's going to help with any irritation. It's going to decrease the size of your pores because when your skin is dry or dehydrated, your pores open up a little bit to produce the oil to keep your skin a little more saturated. So if you're going to give your skin the face oil and give it the hydration that it needs, the pores are going to shrink just a little bit. It's not going to need to open up to produce any oils. So overall, it's going to help with product penetration. It's going to give you very glowy, very balanced skin. And with that being said, more rebalanced skin, it's going to help with your makeup application. Your skin is going to have a very youthful and very beautiful glow to it. It's going to make people think that you eat kale. You know, take your vitamins, drink a lot of water. It's going to give you the appearance of very healthy skin. The takeaway of this, face oils, great for you. Now, the common myths and misconceptions about face oils. 1, they clog your pores. No, oils do not clog your pores. The molecular structure of an oil does not allow it to clog your pores. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of face oils and stuff like that, but overall just know that they do not clog your pores. They're not able to, okay? 2, using a face oil is going to promote acne. No, it will not. Like I mentioned previously, it's actually going to help quell any irritation that you have, and it's actually going to help rebalance your skin. And like I said, because it doesn't penetrate your pores in the way that you think it does, it's actually not going to promote any acne. The other thing is that people think that it's bad for oily skin because it's going to make your skin even more oily. No, it's actually going to help rebalance your skin because, like I said, oil fights oil. If you put oil on top of an oily skin person, it's actually going to reduce the amount of oil that you produce on your skin, especially in your T-zone where your pores are usually enlarged. And the last thing, the myth is that oils are only for aging skin or mature skin. No, you can use face oils at any age. If you're going to start young, it's great for prevention. Or if you're going to start when you're a little older, that's perfectly fine too. It's going to help reduce the appearance of any fine lines, wrinkles, or textures. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the real stuff. These are the 3 face oils that Chanel does offer. We have the LeBlanc face oil or the LeBlanc Oil Healthy Light Creator Oil. We have the Huile de Jasmine or the Jasmine Oil, and then we have the Sublimage L'extrait. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go one by one and explain to you guys briefly what the ingredients are in this and what the oil offers you. So I'm going to start with the LeBlanc oil, and this one retails for $120. You can find this at any counter, I believe, at freestanding stores and Chanel.com. It has the umi flower extract as well as the umi flower oil. The umi flower is a main ingredient in the LeBlanc line. I know I had mentioned it in the new updated LeBlanc serum. So it's actually going to help brighten your skin, help with the evenness, help with the radiance. It's going to help revitalize, brighten, and restore your skin. It's going to promote cell growth, and it's going to help with the oxidation of your skin. So the natural oxidation of your skin, sometimes it makes your skin have the tendency to turn a little yellow, a little dull, a little sallow. So this is going to help fight that natural oxidation so that your skin will appear more brighter and a lot more radiant. It's also going to boost your lipids, boost your nourishment, and as a result, you're going to end up with more luminous skin. So with this, I would use about 4 drops. You could use it on its own, or you could use it mixed with moisturizer. Like I said, you could use it day or night depending on what texture you need. If you live in a very dry climate, like I know one of my subscribers is from Colorado and she needs this during the day. If you live in a very dry climate and you need something very strong and potent, absolutely go in with a face oil during the day. Or if not, you're just using it for treatment, prevention, extra hydration at night, you could definitely use this at night. Like I said, 3 to 4 drops. You can use it on its own, just dump it into your hands, pat it together and just massage it into your face, or you can mix it with your moisturizer for an added effect. Next, we have the Huile de Jasmine. So this one is my personal favorite face oil. One, because I love jasmine and I just love the scent that this gives off. And this one's a little more special just because it's inspired by Coco Chanel's original skincare line, which consisted only of a few products. This one does retail for $120 and it is not available, unfortunately, at all counters. It is available in boutiques, freestanding stores, and Chanel.com. So this has camellia oil, lamentis alba oil, and jojoba oil. So this is supposed to smooth the skin, comfort the skin, help with the suppleness, help with the radiance, evenness, and helps with anti-aging. So this is kind of like your catch-all product. It does a little bit of everything. It's not as focused as the LeBlanc oil, because the LeBlanc oil is definitely more for like radiance and evenness and luminosity. This one's just kind of like a little bit of everything. It's gonna address a little bit of anti-aging, a little bit of hydration, some evenness, a little bit of radiance. Overall, this is good for maintenance. If you're just looking for like a basic oil from Chanel that just addresses the basic concerns of your skin, I would go with this one. And plus, like I said, it gives such a beautiful scent. It's very relaxing. This is also good for a weekend away because, like I said, it's kind of like your catch-all product. So if you're going for like, you know, maybe a weekend like in Vegas or something, you could just toss this in your bag as your nighttime routine. You could skip everything that you have, and it's gonna help reset your skin so that your skin doesn't get tired of your usual routine. Just go ahead and throw this in your bag, and it's gonna supplement your eye cream, your serums, and your moisturizer because this kind of addresses everything. And just like the LeBlanc oil, 3 to 4 drops is gonna do you just fine. Daytime as needed, or nighttime, like I said, on its own or mixed with a moisturizer. Just go ahead and dump it into your hands, massage it, pat it into your skin, and give yourself a mini massage onto your face. Now moving on to Chanel's most expensive face oil, and I believe it's their most expensive product. This is the Sublimage L'Extrait face oil, and this one retails for $650. That's the last time I'm gonna mention the price because it hurts me. So this one is part of the Sublimage line, which I had mentioned in previous videos, where the spine is the Vanilla Planifolia plant. So this one does contain the Vanilla Planifolia PFA as well as the Vanilla Planifolia stem cells. So this oil is going to give you enhanced regeneration and restoration as well as protection to the skin. So this oil is going to address the density, the evenness, the radiance, and the moisture of the skin. It's anti-aging. It's going to help smooth, help firm, and overall give your skin the best form of recovery and restoration that skincare can offer. So this oil is 100% active, meaning that it is very potent and very powerful. You're getting the 100% effects of the Vanilla Planifolia plant in this bottle. These stem cells are going to help with your skin recovery process, and it's really going to help fortify your skin and the skin barrier against the outside pollutants that we have. It provides a very natural shield against the environmental aggressors that we don't even think about sometimes. So whether it be like pollutants, UVs, free radicals, you name it, this oil is going to help your skin just boost up its own regeneration process so that it can effectively protect you from the outside aggressors. So whereas the other oils, you know, you use about 3 to 4 drops for all over the face, with this one you actually only use 1 drop. So this one has a pump that comes with it, and you just pump out 1 single drop, and it is the tiniest drop. I'll even show you guys. Oh, this is gonna hurt me because this, so expensive. So this is 1 drop on my finger. So with this 1 drop, you just go ahead and evenly disperse it throughout your fingers, your fingertips, like this. And then you go ahead and you dot it and just press it into areas of your skin, and then give yourself a massage. And I know you're thinking, you're like, 1 drop is not gonna last my entire face. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And even if you don't think it is, you're gonna make it last because this shit is expensive. So on your fingertips, and then just press it into your skin in certain areas. And once you've evenly dispersed and deposited the product onto your skin, just go ahead and give yourself a nice little face massage. I'm not gonna do it on my face because I have makeup on and I have to go to work in a little bit, but go ahead and give yourself like a little face massage, and you'll be surprised that this thing can stretch. So it definitely will stretch all over your face. You can mix it with a moisturizer if you want. I personally don't, because I feel like sometimes it's enough for me. It's very potent. I feel like this is enough for me, but you could totally mix it with moisturizer if you want. I wouldn't personally go in the same method as other ones and get your moisturizer and mix this in there. I would, you know, do that finger exercise, disperse onto your skin, and then go in and maybe top it off with a moisturizer if you want that added hydration. So in terms of how often you should be using this product. So with these, you can use as often as you want. You could use it as your daily nighttime moisturizer. You can use it as often as every day, or you can use it as little as once a week. It's completely up to you. These two, completely up to you. Use as needed. You have full monopoly. This one, so as opposed to these two where you can use it as often as you want, I definitely wouldn't use this one every day. You know, definitely use your best judgment. It's as often as you need, but I wouldn't say that you need to use something this potent every single day of your life, let alone more than once a day. So If anything, use it once a week, maybe even twice a month or even once a month, depending on what you need. Just because if you think about it, this product is so active, it's 100% active. So after your skin gets used to this, what the heck are you supposed to graduate to? Like, what's even stronger than this? So I would say start off slow. Use this as needed, and honestly, if you're younger, I don't even think you need it. Like if you're in your teens or 20s, I don't even think you need this. You don't need to use this on a consistent basis, at least. But like I said, if you guys want to use it, you know, more than what I'm suggesting, it's completely up to you. I mean, these are my suggestions, but you use it however you seem fit for yourself. Ugh, that was a lot of talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any specific requests, go ahead and comment down below, DM me, call me at the counter if you guys want a makeup consultation, a skin consultation. If you guys are looking to get color matched over the phone, it's a little hard. If you have a picture of yourself, that'd be great actually. So whatever it is that you guys need, just go ahead and reach out to me. You guys know how to reach out to me. Like, you can tweet me, DM me. You guys are really good about DMing me, emailing me. I'm pretty good about my emails. I usually respond pretty fast. Call me at the counter. I'm usually the one that picks up. Just ask for Andrea. I'll be there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more skincare requests, go ahead and leave it down below. Any other skincare line you want me to talk about, leave it down below. Whatever you guys want to see, let me know. But again, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really, really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. But I am so ready to jump back in with you guys. Thank you so much again. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye.